Hi everyone, I'm just show you how to make a pasta. Well, I'm just try to make some video right now. I'm using the Checo. Today is linguine piccole. It's a linguine, a little bit flat. And I'm just boiling pasta, hot water with salt, about medium measure spoon, one medium measure spoon salt in pot. Well, boiling about how many minutes? Oh, almost 8 minutes. But I'm just pick up 6 minutes because al dente. I love a little bit hard taste of pasta. So, set in this pan and hot chili pepper and one of chopped garlic and anchovy paste. This one, anchovy paste. See, you can get so easy any kind, like a regular supermarket. So I'm just clean up a shrimp with one pack. It's a cost about 340 yen. It's a cheap. And eringi and enoki mushroom. I'm gonna use tomato sauce, half portion for one person. So I have to saute shrimp and mushroom. This one is olive oil, like this. Then turn on the power on, high power. And this time, timing is very important. A little bit burning of the garlic and anchovy paste and hot chili pepper. Don't burn out. Some garlic part is a little bit change the color of a little bit brown. If this timing is nice to making the saute. Well, I'm just putting the shrimp. And mushroom. It's yummy. That is tomato, green, and mushroom sauce. Almost done. So don't cook too much because shrimp is very hard. So like medium rare, it's okay. We turn off the switch and checking pasta. Try to eat. Yummy. Okay. I'm recommending this part. It's very important for the hot serving dish because this dish is really cold winter time. So that's why if you use boiling water, you know, it's so economy and comfortable. So I'm using for the nampra. Like this, and more olive oil. Okay. Okay, so okay, set up. This one is done. Usually parsley, but I'm just using mitsuba. Right, looks better.